Now that we've finally finished all our set parts, we can move on to the final assembly. We'll start by opening a new assembly, where we'll add the first part of our assembly, the fixed jaw. For that, all you have to do is click on the Insert component and select the desired part. Then we'll use the same tab to insert the mobile jaw. With those parts on our environment, we'll be able to start using the mate tools. Spoiler alert, we'll be using concentric and coincident mates a lot, as they're the most generic tools, and we can apply it to many assembly situations. We're starting with the concentric mate because our main reference for those parts will be their holes alignment to attach the spindle. After that, we'll use the coincident mate, and it'll keep the mobile jaw where it should stay. Select the Insert Component tab again to add the guide sheet. It'll be added to the bottom part of our assembly. After that, we need to restrict it by using the coincident mate. Now we'll add bottom stop, that small part that goes on the bottom of the assembly. With a concentric mate, we'll align the holes, and with coincident mate, we'll make the parts face each other. Please note that there's a difference in their height, so keep that in mind when using the mates. Back to the upper area of our assembly, we'll add the spindle. We're going to use both concentric and coincident mates on it as well. The concentric mate will align it to the hole, while the coincident will face the spindle at the end of the part. We just need to pay attention to the lateral hole's alignment because we'll add a pin on it to keep the parts together. Moving on to said pin, we'll add it to the assembly by the Insert Component tab, and we'll select the part we're attaching it into, indicating a reference point. Now, habilitating the concentric mate, we'll select the pin and the hole to which it will be attached. And using the coincident mate, we'll select the pin's face and our part's lateral face. Habilitate the Distance tab and add the measure of 1 millimeter. The last part to add is the handle, and we'll move on to the library's items, okay? Alright, so we'll add the handle, and using concentric mate, we'll select the part and the hole to which it will be attached. That's it. All our modeled parts are added to our assembly, so we're moving on to the guide sheet screws. We're going to select the private library, and we'll select the ISO 10642 screw. When you do that, a window will open, asking some screws specifications. We'll select M4X16. We'll then select any point on the area, as we're attaching it to the hole later with the mates, and we're repeating it with one more screw, to which we'll apply linear pattern later. With both screws added, we'll select the linear pattern tool, and on instance, we'll select the screws. In direction 1, we'll select the direction the screws will be added. In quantity, we'll input the value 4, and in distance, we'll add 37 millimeters. After that, we're confirming the operation. Now, the only missing part is the bottom screw. It will be the ISO 10642 screw with the M6X16 specification. See? That's as easy as pie, wasn't it? Now our bench vise is ready. Well guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.